Sports car, premium saloon, hybrid pioneer. It's another strong performance by the Panamera, Mr. Blume.
Yes, there is no doubt about that. The Panamera is now even smarter, even more exclusive, and even sportier. The Panamera has always been successful due to its unique positioning in the segment. The Panamera is the sports car among saloons. And it is particularly important for us to always reinvent ourselves, to follow new paths. Porsche has always remained Porsche only because it has always changed.
Yeah, and all that in really great packaging.
Yes, you're right about the packaging. We developed a completely new front section for the Turbo S. And all the other models will have the sport design front end in the future. There are also new wheels and new colors, and I am particularly proud of our new rear end. We have designed the taillight cluster so that it has a much more pronounced 3D look. And we have also succeeded in achieving continuous illumination of the light strip.
Let's move on to another topic. Because hybrid is not a compromise at Porsche, we use the electric motor for maximum efficiency and range, but it's still a performance tool. I myself enjoyed numerous successes in motorsports during the 919 hybrid program, both in the World Championship and also at Le Mans, and I'm a great fan of this technology. The new Panamera and Cayenne models have also been designed with e-performance in mind. Is that a strategy that Porsche will continue with in the future?
Absolutely. We are convinced that our e-performance strategy is the right one and continue to put our faith in plug-in hybrids. For example, there is now the new Panamera 4S e-hybrid in which we have put together a new driveline. From the 2.9-liter V6 biturbo engine and the electric motor, we now achieve a system output of 560 PS and a maximum torque of 750 Newton-meters.
And what about the range?
Yes, the range. We are also using a new high-voltage battery in the new Panamera, now with a capacity of 17.9 kilowatt-hours. This means that we are able to increase the range by up to 30% compared with the previous Panamera model. And we have also further optimized the driving modes. After all, the goal is to further improve and enhance the electric driving experience.
I also noticed something else in Leipzig. I think I was holding a new steering wheel in my hands. Is that true?
Yes, that's right. Together with the new steering, we are also introducing a new steering wheel generation in the Panamera, which I think is attractively integrated in the overall interior design. We also have a new sport chrono clock for customers who want to enhance and personalize their vehicle further. This new analog clock comes from Porsche Design. A matching chronograph for the wrist is also available from Porsche Design. Overall, there is a new interior. We have modernized all the displays. We have new displays, new display contents, and new functions. The online connectivity of the new Panamera has also been significantly improved. As you can tell, I really am impressed by the new Panamera.